Question: a section of track for a roller coaster consists of two circular arcs AB and CD joined by a straight portion BC. Radius of AB is given, CD is given, and the total mass of the car along with its occupants is given. We need to find, and A, that has no velocity and drops freely, so we have to find a normal reaction at B. So remember at B, the FBD is going to look like this. Will be a normal reaction. There will be a weight and there will be a velocity over here. So we know that the total force acting on the center as per the, if this is 40, then this is also 40, right, as per the alternate angles. So that's going to be the components are going to be W cosine of 40, and this component is going to be W sine of 40. And we know that the net force towards the centripetal force is nothing but mv square over r. And what is the net force to